External challenges. The Persian monarch, Nadir Shah, attacked India in 1738–39. Lahore was soon conquered and the Mughal army was defeated at Karnal on 13 February 1739. To complete the ignominy, the Mughal Emperor Muhammad Shah was captured and Delhi laid waste. The well-known poets Mir and Sauda lamented the devastation of Delhi. However, the impact of Nadir Shah's invasion on Delhi was not as big a setback as commonly believed. Abdali's invasions left Delhi worse off, but by 1772 the city had revived. 70 crores of rupees were gathered from the official treasury and the safes of the rich nobles. The peacock throne and the Kohinoor diamond were the two most prized items of his loot. Nadir Shah gained strategically crucial Mughal territory to the west of the river Indus, including Kabul. India was once more vulnerable to attacks from the northwest. Ahmad Shah Abdali gained prominence as Nadir Shah's commander and established his rule over Afghanistan after the death of Nadir Shah. He invaded North India many times between 1748 and 1767. The most well-known was his victory over the Marathas in 1761, which is known as the Third Battle of Panipat.